much snow did we get? We have it up to our first floor windows outside, and it keeps coming. Let's go to a window that doesn't have a screen. Let's see over here. There is more snow up to the window. That's not very accurate either. Let's go look. Oh, now you can see how much snow we got because our neighbor has it up to his knees. You can see the depth of where his snow plow is going and how far down he is. He's going all the way. He's shooting his kid. That's what he's doing. I don't know. News reports say we got 2 feet. Our front door, I think, would agree. If you can see that, that's the bottom of our front door. And there's the pile and pile. It's just all so white and blurry, but we got a lot.